Hey guys, how's it going? I hope you're having a great day. So today we're gonna do something that I think every guy with a turbo engine should do, and that is test for leaks, for boost leaks. And also at the end of the video, I'm gonna announce who won the giveaway. So make sure you stay tuned for that. So anyways, let's jump right into it. So this is basically all you're gonna need to get your boost leak tester together. A 3-inch PVC cap and some tire valves, like the ones on your wheels. And all this cost me, I believe this was about $4 and that was $6, so $10 total. So it's not that bad, especially when you consider that if you look online, most of them are like $50-$60. So pretty good deal. So now, apart from just these things, you're also gonna need an air compressor to pressurize the system. The first thing I'm gonna do is drill a hole onto this cap so that we can stick the valve through it and get that started. The drill setup is just this 5/8 bit, and it actually worked perfectly on there. So now all we gotta do is just throw it on the truck, and hopefully it'll work. So let's go do that. The next step is gonna be just taking off the intake so that we can put the cap on there. Hopefully you guys can see, it's pretty dark in here. I think normally you could do it right here, but since I kind of have a little bit more of a custom setup with my air filter, I think if I take this one off, it should work right there. Moment of truth. Let's see. Oh, perfect. And that's pretty much all that really is. It's actually pretty simple, way more simple than I thought it was gonna be. Unfortunately, my friend with the air compressor is not gonna be able to make it in tonight. So what I'm gonna do is take this thing to work and use one of their compressors, and I'll try to record there and show you the process of actually finding the leaks, which is really not that hard. All you gotta do is just take some water, some soapy water, on a spray bottle and spray all your boots, everything where a leak could be, your flanges, around your turbo, everything. Make sure you get everything. So yeah, make sure you spray everything, and if you see any air bubbles forming, that's a pretty good sign that you got an air leak right there. Anyways, I'm gonna pick this video up off from work, and hopefully we'll get that done. Okay, so we're back, and actually, we're still in the garage. I ended up not taking the truck to work, but my friend did come through with the compressor. Check it out. So now we can do the boost leak here at the house. It's just easier to record for you guys and all that stuff being here at the house. So, huge thanks to my friend. I really gotta get one of these things. They're super important, and that's definitely on the wish list. So, hopefully soon we'll get one of those. Anyway, so now let's move on to the test. Okay, so now that we have our boost leak detector dealio, all we gotta do is pump some air into it and spray some soapy water around all of our joints, and here for a boost leak and see some bubbles. So anyways, let's do that. So now I'm just kind of feeling the boot to see how hard they're getting. And this thing's not holding any boost. It's got a huge leak. So now I'm gonna spray some of the joints, mainly the white pipe. If my spray bottle works. Come on. Oh, this is great. Okay, let's try this again. See if we can actually see where it's coming from. Okay. So definitely around the Y intake over here is leaking some. The up pipes seem to be good. So I'm gonna hit that clamp with the impact one more time and see if that fixes that problem. Good. Okay guys, so that was it, and I did find some leaks. I'll show you in a little bit what I found. But I do believe, and I fixed them, but I do believe that I still have a few more leaks that I still haven't found. And it's gonna take some more time and kind of looking around. But it's already pretty late, and the compressor is pretty loud, and I don't want to keep my my neighbors up. But anyways, let me show you what the few things that I did find were leaking. So now, as expected, the man, I forgot what this part's called. The wide pipe intake. The boots right here were leaking. They were leaking on top right here, on either side. And this flange right here was leaking too to the turbo. So luckily I had another one of these, because the other one I believe was stripped out. Like this slotted part on the band was stripped out and it wouldn't tighten anymore. But luckily I had another one from my intercooler setup. So I took that off, threw it on here, tightened it up, and that seemed to fix that problem. And the boots over here seemed, I tightened those up too a little bit more, and that seemed to fix that problem. Now, the problem is that it's still not holding pressure. I can still, it's still, you know, once you take the compressor off, it's still not holding pressure, and I believe it should. So I gotta find where that's coming from, and I believe that's probably gonna be something for the weekend if I have time, because my family is getting here for Christmas. Now, can you believe, guys, that next week is Christmas, and then the week after that is New Year's? This year is pretty much over, done. This year has been an amazing year for me so far. It's for sure been the busiest year of my life. I've never been this busy in my life. I used to work, you know, 84 hours a week, but I would come home and just, you know, chillax. Now I work 10 hours a day, but I still come home, I work on the truck, I edit videos for you guys, and I love it. I love being busy like this, and I really hope that this coming year is even better than this year. But anyway, that's enough for that. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna leave this off for the weekend. Hopefully that we can work on this over the weekend. But now we're gonna get to the really fun stuff. We're gonna go ahead and pick a winner for the giveaway. So anyways, let's go do that. Okay guys, so we're in the house, and the first thing we gotta do is count all of the comments and then pick a number. So anyways, let's do that. Okay, by the way guys, you absolutely killed it with the comments, and it seems like you guys were pretty excited about the giveaway, and so am I. It's actually pretty cool that I get to do, you know, it's like I said, it's not much, but you know, it's something, and I really am looking forward to doing more stuff like this in the future for you guys. Oh, and check that out. We're at 1,300. Can you believe that? Wow, thank you guys. Thank you so much. I really can't believe it. So anyways, let's open up the video. Pause that and let's start counting. Okay guys, so we had, I lost count. We had 82 comments. I just counted 3 times, but 82 I'm sure. And I just want to say thank you to all the guys that left a comment, that left a like, that subscribed. I really appreciate it. It's really gonna help just keep the channel moving so we can do the things that we want to do in the future. So anyways, now we want to go and find a random number generator. Nah, don't go to YouTube again. It's like my computer knows me. It knows that I love being on YouTube. So I see random number generator. Minimum 1, maximum 82. And let's check it out. So as you can see, minimum 1, maximum 82. Generate 61. Whoever was comment 61, congrats. I'm gonna go right now and count so we can find out who it was. Man, I'm excited. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can it be like a 10 or something so I don't gotta count all the way up to 61? It's alright though. So I'm actually gonna set you guys up so you can count with me. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 58, 59, 60, 61. There we go. And it's let me get my man Tamsin Justice. I think that's how you pronounce your name. I'm horrible at all this stuff. So anyways, I was actually talking to this dude, and he actually has a YouTube channel. He just started a build on a 7.3. Check it out. This thing is pretty cool. Check that thing out. It's the Super Cab short bed. That thing is nice. It looks clean. And actually, eventually I do want to build. I would love to buy a Super Cab short bed and do a build on it. I think that would be pretty cool. But anyways, I'm gonna be leaving him a comment. Go check out his channel too. He just started it out. I think that's one of his first videos that he did on that truck. So go check out his channel, subscribe. And again, dude, congrats. But anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I sure loved recording that last video. I love doing the giveaway. And I have planned doing other giveaways. Hopefully down the road with some cooler things, like light bars and other things that you guys might want for your trucks. But that'll be I want to do small giveaways like this, kind of at least once a month. And I also want to start doing like bigger, like I said, light bars and stuff like that. Every so often. And who knows, maybe one day we'll get to the same level as Loud and Proud, giving away trucks. Wouldn't that be cool? Now, but now, yeah, definitely leave a like, leave a comment, go check out my man Tamsin Justice, and give him a like, give him a follow, and we'll see you for the next one. Again, hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you for the next one.